Hey there, welcome to this house tour. This big 4 bedroom house is right in Mirema Drive, Roysambu. Picture waking up to the sound of birds from nearby trees that beautify your neighborhood so naturally. Let's see how the kitchen is equipped with lots of cabinets, enough for all your foodstuffs and extra utensils. Again, the kitchen has its own balcony. Maybe you can set up a barbecue if you wish to. Thika Super Highway is just nearby, so maneuvering around is pretty easy. Plus, the nearby shopping mall is Terrain and it's just moments away. This house comes with an own compound, enough for 2 cars and children's playground. And since security is paramount, the estate has a 24/7 tight security. We have your next home with us. Call us today and we'll arrange for viewing at your own convenient time. We are looking forward to welcoming you.